This week on WDD's Hotspot. An American startup company specializing in mobile technology, Bluetooth, and the Internet of Things has developed Barman, the world's first Bluetooth 4.0 enabled cocktail mixing platform for your smartphone. Just pick one of the hundreds of preloaded drink recipes in the corresponding iOS or Android app, pick your size, and start mixing. The Barman uses a proprietary scaling algorithm so that your cocktail will taste the same no matter what size you make. Its glass illumination LEDs light up your glass or shaker blue when the Barman is ready to mix, while its display tells you what to pour. Then, as you pour, the progress indicator moves across the display, letting you know how much you have left. When the indicator reaches the end of the display, the Barman illuminates the glass or shaker red to let you know to stop pouring. It's that simple, so cheers to that.
SmartFrock, the world's first smart high chair, was created by design agency Gigo Design and Remark Company. Weighing a child in the first months of their lives is important, but fairly difficult since toddlers are usually too light for normal scales and only rarely stand still. Cue the Frock, an adjustable wooden high chair that allows parents to monitor their children's weight. With sensors located under the seat, they are also connected to an app, so parents can easily monitor their child's weight and progress simply by checking their smartphone. Keeping track of weight gain helps parents assess baby's health and also helps them determine if the baby consumes the right amount of food. The founders of the product teamed up with MakerLab, a young team of tech enthusiasts from the Faculty of Electrical Engineering at the University of Ljubljana. You can't order the high chair just yet, as in order to launch the mass production of SmartFrock and keep its price available to all parents, the team needs $55,000. Back them on Kickstarter to make it happen.
We're all familiar with the Roomba, right? That robotic home vacuum that cruises across the floor, spawning lots of internet videos of cats hitching a shameless ride on it.
It's not funny.
Well, the device just received an upgrade. The Roomba 980 can be controlled by your smartphone, and it uses a camera and sensors to remember where walls and furniture are in your home. Using visual localization and cloud-connected app control, the vacuum can paint itself a better, more accurate picture of how your house is laid out. The company behind the device says that the Roomba is even outfitted with sensors that make it spontaneously adjust its cleaning patterns to avoid running into moved furniture or random objects on the ground. The 980 can also figure out what kind of surface it's on at any given time, and if it's a carpet or rug, it kicks into high gear, automatically doubling the power it expends. Optical and acoustic sensors also help it figure out where there are particularly large concentrations of dirt. The device can clean for up to 2 hours before automatically roaming back to its charging station.
WASP, the world's advanced saving project, will soon be unveiling Big Delta, the world's largest Delta 3D printer. The 40-foot-tall printer was designed for the sole purpose of building nearly zero-cost housing through the use of local materials, using as little energy as possible, offering quick and inexpensive relief to disaster areas, and addressing the future housing needs of a rapidly growing world population. 3D printed houses may be about to become more commonplace, as the United Nations predicts there will be a need for almost 100,000 new homes daily worldwide for the next 15 years. The Big Delta printer is supported by a sturdy metal frame 20 feet in diameter. A rotating nozzle doubles as a mixer that keeps printing materials consistently, while requiring only tens of watts of power to work. The possible building materials range from mud to clay that can be structurally reinforced with small amounts of chemical additives, down to potentially cement. The company says it is also working on a collaboration to provide health assistance in disaster areas through 3D printed housing that would add an insect repellent to its walls.
That's all for this week's Hotspot. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and catch past episodes on wirelessdesignmag.com. For the WDD channel, I'm Janine Mooney. Thanks for watching. Cut it!
Bye.